Welcome to Arupa Apps, your low-code no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create master or index form with navigation bar. Drowning in paperwork and disorganized forms? There's a better way. Introducing Arupa App's master form with a built in navigation bar, your key to a smoother, more efficient business workflow. Keep all your forms in one place, neatly organized and easy to access. No more digging through piles of paperwork or endless digital files. With the navigation bar, switching between sections is effortless, whether it's customer data, invoices, or employee records. Save time, minimize errors, and boost productivity. Less hassle, faster processing, and more focus on growing your business. So, why deal with chaos when you can simplify everything? Upgrade to Arupa Apps Master Form today and transform the way you manage your business. I'll give you some example of master form with a navigation bar used in the real world applications. First, imagine a hospital management system. Here, the master form is the patient management dashboard with a navigation bar that includes tabs like patient details, appointments, medical history, and billing. The next example is in a CRM system used for business client interactions. The master form is the client management panel with the navigation bar for contact information, company information, opportunities, leads, invoices, etc. So let's begin. Open the dashboard menu and go to Forms. Then click on All Forms and select General Form. This will take you to the form creation page. Enter a name for your master form. For this example, I will name it CRM for a customer relationship management master form. The form creation page provides all the necessary tools. Scroll down and locate the navbar tool. Then drag and drop it into the form. In the bottom right corner of the navbar field, click the edit button. Then open navbar properties, scroll down and find the upload image option. Here you can upload your company logo or any other preferred image for your form. To add subforms, click Add Row. In the menu item name field, enter the name of the subform you want to include in the master form. Ensure these subforms are already created. Creating subforms is very simple. A link will be provided in the description with detailed instructions on form creation. Now for this example, I'll add a customer contact form that I previously created. In the menu item link field, I will copy the link of the previously created customer contact form and paste it here. Click Add Row again for additional subforms. There is no limit to the number of subforms you can add. Once all the required forms are included, scroll to the top and click Save to finalize the master form. To save your form, scroll to the top and change the status from draft to active. Adjust final settings as needed. Private restricts access to users other than the users in the tenant. Public allows anyone to access it, and embed enables addition to any HTML page. For this example, I will select public. After saving the form, the system will generate a link for the master form. Clicking on this link will open the master form that was just created. Selecting the contact form within the master form will direct you to the contact form, while clicking on the company form will open the corresponding company form. Thank you for watching our video on how to create master or index form with navigation bar in Arupa Apps. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on using different tools in Arupa Apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@arupaapps.com. Thank you.